Senior homeowners are finding that a reverse mortgage can be a cost-effective way of addressing some of their biggest financial concerns. For example, a reverse mortgage improves cash flow in retirement, free of income tax, allowing homeowners to pay off their existing mortgage by eliminating their monthly principal and interest payments. Homeowners can also use a reverse mortgage to consolidate their debt and further improve their cash flow. A more creative use of a reverse mortgage is to help create a safety net fund should an unexpected expense or a medical emergency arise. This fund can be used to pay for in-home care and to help a homeowner avoid being forced to go to a retirement or care facility. A reverse mortgage can also be used to help a homeowner update or remodel their home to make it easier for them to age in place. Some homeowners have even used a reverse mortgage to provide funding for education expenses or a new home as a living financial legacy for their kids or grandkids. To find out more, call a C2 certified reverse mortgage specialist today.